Ginger is a popular spice that has been used for medicinal purposes for centuries. It has a range of health benefits. Here are a few benefits that are also recognized by research. 1. Anti-inflammatory effects. Ginger contains compounds such as gingerols and shogals, which can help reduce inflammation in the body and alleviate symptoms of conditions such as osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. 2. Relief from nausea and vomiting. Ginger has been shown to be effective in reducing nausea and vomiting associated with motion sickness, pregnancy, and chemotherapy. 3. Digestive health. Ginger can help improve digestion by increasing the production of digestive enzymes and reducing bloating and gas. 4. Boosts immune system. Ginger has immune-boosting properties that can help protect against illnesses, including infections and the common cold. 5. Lowering blood sugar levels. Ginger may help lower blood sugar levels by increasing insulin sensitivity in people with diabetes. 6. Cardiovascular health. Ginger may help reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering blood pressure and cholesterol levels. 7. Pain relief. Ginger has analgesic properties, which can help reduce pain and soreness in muscles and joints. 8. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that ginger may have anti-cancer properties that can help prevent the growth and spread of cancer cells. 9. Antimicrobial effects. Ginger has been shown to have antimicrobial properties that can help prevent the growth of harmful bacteria and viruses, potentially reducing the risk of infections. 10. Weight management. Some studies suggest that ginger may help reduce body weight and improve body composition by increasing metabolism and reducing hunger. 11. Skin health. Ginger may have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help improve skin health by reducing inflammation, improving circulation, and preventing oxidative damage. 12. Brain health. Ginger may have neuroprotective effects that can help protect against age-related decline in brain function and reduce the risk of conditions such as Alzheimer's disease. 13. Respiratory health. Ginger may help alleviate respiratory symptoms such as cough, bronchitis, and asthma by reducing inflammation and promoting relaxation of the airways. 14. And lastly, but not least, anti-allergenic effects. Some studies have found that ginger may have anti-allergenic properties that can help reduce symptoms of allergies such as sneezing and runny nose. Overall, ginger is a versatile spice that can provide numerous health benefits when consumed regularly as part of a balanced diet. Keep in mind that while ginger is generally safe for consumption, excessive intake may lead to side effects such as heartburn, diarrhea, and mouth irritation. It is always best to consult with a healthcare provider before adding ginger to your diet, especially if you are taking medications or have any medical conditions. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.